So again, we are here with easy memorization of amino acids. In the last video, we have created a trick to learn all the names of essential amino acids, and I was overwhelmed with your response that most of the students require the same creativity or the same easy memorization for non-essential amino acids. So this video is dedicated to those students. Okay. So I'm sure you are very much familiar to this slide, the single letter code of amino acid, which we discussed in the last lecture, and I'm sure that you all are now very much equipped in the ABC of amino acids, correct? So we can move on to the simple trick to learn non-essential amino acids name. They are 11 in number, I told you in the amino acids lecture. So what I have created for you is that a nice person comes quickly, showing yellow ribbon, enjoying dusty guitar. Simple, interesting, nice. Once again, a nice person comes quickly, showing yellow ribbon, enjoying dusty guitar. It's a very simple and interesting sentence you might get. So now let's correlate the every initial of this sentence with the our concerned non-essential amino acid, where A represent alanine, N represent asparagine, P for proline, C for cysteine, but Q represent glutamine, S again for serine, and Y the aromatic amino acid tyrosine. You can remember by taking the second letter of tyrosine belonging to the first letter of the single letter code, R for arginine, E for glutamic acid or glutamate, D for aspartic acid or aspartate, and G the last belongs to our first amino acid, the glycine. Correct? It is simple. So how do you find it? Write in the comment section, because what I feel is that remembering every amino acid by its name, it's very much difficult as per their classification is concerned. Yes, you can remember all the amino acids name as on the fingertips, but when it comes to classification into different categories, there is much more confusion. So write in the comment section that how do you feel about it, and give me more boost to create more such creative videos for you, because there are many other classification of amino acids we have studied. Okay, so keep revising and enjoy learning.